Alright, so you want to start investing. Maybe you've been hearing about it, or maybe you've realized that saving your money under your mattress isn't exactly cutting it anymore. And if you're like most people, you're probably thinking, investing? That sounds complicated. Isn't that only for rich people? Well, guess what? It's not. There are tons of platforms out there that are making investing as easy as ordering takeout. One of the most popular options is Acorns. But how do you actually open an Acorns account? Let's break it down. First off, what is Acorns? Basically, it's an investment app that helps you grow your money through micro-investing. It's like having a tiny financial advisor in your pocket. You link your bank account, and Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's a super low-key way to start building wealth. Okay, so how do you get started? Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the app. The first thing you need to do is download the Acorns app. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once you've got it downloaded, open it up and let's get rolling. Step 2. Create your account. You'll be prompted to create an account. This is pretty standard stuff. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure you pick a password that's hard to crack, because you don't want anyone messing with your money. Step 3. Basic information. Next up, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This includes your date of birth, social security number, and your address. It might seem like a lot of personal info, but it's necessary for security and regulatory purposes. Don't worry, your information is safe. Step 4. Investment goals. Now, this is where things get a little more interesting. Acorns wants to know what you're hoping to achieve with your investments. Are you saving for a down payment on a house? Retirement? Or maybe you just want to build an emergency fund. Your answers will help Acorns recommend an investment portfolio that aligns with your goals. Step 5. Risk tolerance. Next, you'll be asked about your risk tolerance. Are you a thrill seeker who's okay with some ups and downs in the market? Or do you prefer to play it safe? Your answer will help Acorns determine how aggressive your investments should be. Step 6. Link your bank account. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to link your bank account to Acorns so it can start rounding up your spare change. Don't worry, it's safe and secure. Acorns uses encryption to protect your financial information. Step 7. Fund your account. While Acorns is all about micro-investing, you might want to kickstart your investment journey with a bigger deposit. You can do this right from the app. The more you invest, the faster your money can grow. Step 8. Review and accept. Before you hit that big, green Open Account button, make sure to review all the information you've provided. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Once you're happy, go ahead and hit that button. And that's it. You've officially opened your Acorns account. Congratulations. Now, the fun part begins. You can sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. But with consistent investing and a little patience, you can build a solid financial foundation for your future. Acorns offers a few different membership tiers, each with its own set of features and fees. It's worth doing some research to figure out which plan is right for you. And of course, investing always comes with some risk. It's important to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.